Today we are going to perform one practical, that is synthesis of benzil from benzoin by means of oxidation reaction. So first of all, we have to look up at the reaction, that is benzoin, that is reacting with concentrated nitric acid and give rise to the formation of benzil. Now this benzil, that is a dicarbonyl compound. Dicarbonyl means you can see that two ketone groups are present. That means dicarbonyl compound it is. If we look into the mechanism of this reaction, so at first our nitric acid, that is get protonated at first. We are getting protonated nitric acid. Now this protonated, from this protonated nitric acid, one molecule of water is being removed. Okay? And as one molecule of water is being removed, there will be less charge density. Okay? Now, on the nitrogen atom, you can see that one positive charge is there. And also, charge density is decreasing. So it is attacking the lone pair of electrons of this oxygen atom, and it is forming one intermediate. So in this intermediate, we have one hydrogen atom directly attached to oxygen, and this oxygen is positively charged. Okay? So one molecule of water that will come and take up the hydrogen as proton. Okay? And it will form H3O class. And as the hydrogen is taken up, the electron will be known as lone pair of electron of this oxygen atom. Okay? Now, in the second intermediate, another hydrogen atom which is on the carbon, that will also be taken up by one water molecule, and it will be removed as H3O class. Okay? And the electrons in between carbon and hydrogen, that will form the double bond in between carbon and oxygen. Now, if the double bonds are formed, this NO₂ part, that will be removed and as brown gas, that is the NO₂, oxide of nitrogen, and we will get our final product, that is Benzil. To perform this reaction, at first you take 1 gram of benzoin in a RBF and add 5 ml of concentrated HNO₃. Then you put the vessel on the boiling water bath and heat it for 1.5 hours, that is 1 hour 30 minutes. And after heating, you will see that there are evolution of oxides of nitrogen. That means some brown gases are evolving. Now ceasing of this nitrogen oxide, that will indicate the completion of reaction. Whenever the reaction has been completed, the reaction mixture, you have to pour it in a beaker containing 15 ml ice cold water and gradually stir it. On stirring, you can see that the yellow oil part, that will be crystallized out and yellow solid precipitate. You have to filter it and dry. That's all for the reaction part. Okay, at first weight about 1 gram of benzoin. Now take it in the RBA. Now measure about 5 ml of concentrated HNO₃. Now you have to place it on the water cup. We have to heat it for 1.5 hours. Okay. After 2 minutes, you can see that there is evolution of brown gases. That is the oxides of nitric. After freezing of this nitrogen oxide evolution, you have to pour it in 15 minutes cold water and stir it, and you can see that the result. Okay. Now you can see that after heating for few minutes, there is evolution of brown gases. These brown gases are nothing but oxides of nitrogen. After 1.5 hours, you can see that there will be ceasing of this evolution of nitrogen oxides. That will indicate the completion of reaction. Then you have to pour this mixture in 15 ml ice cold water, and you can see that yellow crystals of benzil is precipitated out. So you can see that in this RBF there is ceasing of oxides of nitrogen, which is indicating that there is reaction is completed. Now we will pour this mixture in the cold water. Now you have to stir it slowly, and you can see that in the bottom there is precipitation of yellow solids. For filtration, just wash it with This is our crude benzene product that we have synthesized today. Now we have to dry it and take the practical kit. Okay.